Hi friends, this is Final Stock YouTube channel. In this video, you will know some type of scam in email. What I received in email that I am going to explain, which this type of scam are around the world, so be aware of it. Here, I open one email. This is the email I received from Hebron Food. What is written there? Hello sir, please, I will like to talk to you if you are free, thanks. Then I replied, what you want to speak till here? And then he replied, do you live in India? He asked. And yes, I do, I replied. And the next email came like this. I am Nikita Patel. I was born and brought up in New York. My dad is from Pune in Maharashtra, but he died in March 2022 to COVID-19 complications. May his gentle soul rest in perfect peace and harmony. I am working in Good Health Bioscience. It's a pharmaceutical company here in the New York. I'm 29 years old and I have never been to India, but I plan to visit there as soon as I can. So I contacted you in respect to a very important proposal I am having over there in India. Kindly reply back for more details and information about the proposal. So just he told that he's having some proposal to me. Actually, he don't know me. I am unknown. I am stranger to me, but he would like to tell me a proposal, like a partnership. What a big scam is going to start next. I replied, send more info. And another email came as a reply. My company has run out of this material, and now because they did not know that the previous supplier was not the direct manufacturer from India, he was buying from the direct manufacturer there. The material name is Zeonide Alkaloids FX Extra Solution. Our company uses it to manufacture some very effective cancer vaccines and medications. Now the previous supplier, Mr. Rajaram from Chennai, India, is no more. He died of COVID-19 and my company is now out of stock now. They are busy looking for a way how to get the direct manufacturer of this set material below. Since the previous supplier was not the direct manufacturer, in order to experience this kind of abrupt scarcity of this raw material again, interestingly, while going through the previous invoices submitted to our company by late Dr. Rajaram, I made a surprising discovery on his invoices in the file that he submitted, which has the receipt of the original local dealer, Priya Kekwar. Unfortunately, the company I work with had no idea about the price for which he was purchasing the raw material from the original manufacturer, Priya Kekwar. And it happens to be far cheaper as compared to what he was supplying to our company. Imagine he was purchasing 1 liter of this raw material at the rate of 1700 USD and supplying to our company at the rate of 4800 USD per liter, meaning he was realizing a profit of about 3100 profit per liter bottle, which is very lucrative, I must admit. See here, the profit is very large and it's going from India to abroad. What a surprise with huge margin. Next, I read it. From the trace of the invoice, the local dealer has the material and she is ready to supply any quantity. But if I release the details of the local dealer to my company, all I would get is just thank you, that's all. But I give it to you that is capable to handle the supply. I will gain my 50% from the profit realized because all I needed was who would sponsor it, that's all. What he is telling that if he reveals it to the company, they will just say thank you. They don't give any profit to him, so that he is asking my assistance. I need honest, trustworthy man that can sponsor the supply. What scam here! I am a stranger, but he believed me honest, trustworthy at the first instant, and then it reads as you get it at the cost 1700 USD per liter bottle from the local vendor and supplied to my company at the cost of 4800 USD per liter. Means you are sure 3100 USD from every 1 liter. Imagine 3100 USD profit times 1000 liter is 3.1 million dollar profit. It is reasonable. I will guide you till the end of the supply. If you are interested, say yes, and I will release the details of the local dealer Priya Kaikwad. Likewise, he said, and now I wrote what I wrote here. Hey, your previous dealer is no more to go with. Okay, then I am also suffering to go with. So you can find any other person without COVID. What a story! This is what I told like a joke, but without reading my reply, what he said. Thanks for your kind response, and the same thing I contacted, and like I stated previous, this much USD profit and etc, and the terms 85% for me, 15% for him, and finally he asked to send my particulars like full name, partner name, company name, house address, occupation, contact number. What a story! And here, finally, I again replied, "Day loose. See what I sent. Bloody nonsense." Thereafter, there is no email from him. So this is absolutely scam. And if you receive this type of scam, just leave it. Don't give any your personal info and don't believe it. Don't lose your money. Be safe. That's what I am going to convey through this video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.